Following proper wall preparation steps before installation is the key to a successful removal. You will need the following tools for removal: a bucket and warm water, a putty knife or scraper, dish detergent, a utility knife, and a sponge. You will also need a ladder. If walls were properly prepared before installation, peel and stick should be able to peel off the wall without applying any water. Start with the panel that was installed last in the room. It should be the panel that is overlapping all other panels in the room. Use a putty knife, utility knife, or scraper to gently lift the corner of the wallpaper from the wall. Slowly pulling the wallpaper down with a 10-degree angle away from the wall. Continue to move your hands as you pull the paper, keeping your hands closest to where the paper is still attached to the wall. This will help prevent any wall damage. Continue to remove your panels following the same steps as the first one. If your wallpaper is not removing from the wall using the dry method, wet removal can help by reactivating the paste. Use warm water and a wet sponge on the face of the wallpaper to moisten the adhesive. Wait 10 to 20 minutes to allow the water to soak in. Once the water has absorbed into the paper, follow the same steps as the dry removal. Once all wallpaper has been removed, use a sponge with warm water and a little dish detergent to wipe down walls, cleaning off any small bits of paste that didn't come off when you removed the paper. Now you are ready to prep and prime your walls for your next project.